ever wondered how much language shapes your personality? Or the other way around? How much can we know about someone just by the words they choose? The way you speak isn't the same if you were born among sheep and tango in La Boca, or if you breathe the warm, pure air of the Misiones rainforest. Accent changes, words change, but so does the way we see the world. And what if I told you that those words could help predict financial risk, human decision, even fraud? The idea of a link between language and personality traces back to 1942 with Fillmore Stanford's Speech and Personality. Since then, research has deepened from Penny Barker and King's work to the Sapir-Whorf hypothesis. In 2013, the University of Pennsylvania analyzed 75,000 Facebook posts using open vocabulary. The algorithms predict gender with 92% accuracy, age within 3 years, and personality traits will result closer to self-report questionnaires. So, what does this mean for actuaries? Let's try to answer these 4 questions. Can we apply NLP in insurance? Natural language processing aims to turn human voice and text into structured data, allowing machines to understand information and use it to support decision-making or generate relevant responses. With NLP, algorithms can detect personality traits just by analyzing how they read emails or which words they repeat on social media. And it's not only what we say, it's how we say it. A kind of linguistic fingerprint that reveals how we think, how we decide, and the risk we might take. Insurance holds massive volume of textual data. NLP can process these texts to identify risk factors. In fraud detection, NLP can flag inconsistent or suspicious phrasing in other uses, automating document processing, analyzing customer sentiment, improving underwriting. What tools do we need? Processing human language goes far beyond word count or emotional labels. It's about catching nuance, irony, contradictions. Traditional models fall short. AI now allows us to train models on complex linguistic patterns. And when we combine that with the power of the quantum computing, we get hybrid models. Algorithms that merge classical AI with quantum processing, exploring near infinite solution space in seconds. What are the risks of implementation? Controversies around AI-driven decisions in insurance and finance show that even well-intentioned algorithms can produce biased outcomes, attract regulatory scrutiny, and erode public trust. Add to that cybersecurity threats, data privacy concerns, and thought questions for actuaries. Are we really trying to respond to this? Can insurance adapt legacy systems to these new tools? And let's not forget, according to a World Economic Forum report, nearly 1,500 professionals ranked AI as the top technological risk to their organization. Add the environmental impact to the list, there's simply nothing. What's the way forward? AI systems must be built on ethical principles. Decision makers must balance economic efficiency with social fairness, while actively addressing both direct and indirect discrimination baked into a data or model design. We must file transparency and explainability into our systems, especially in pricing. Define accountability for errors, ensure data privacy, and demand robustness so that models remain reliable in real-world conditions. The OECD's AI principles and the EU's guideline for trustworthy AI are just the beginning. True AI governance is an ongoing effort. In this intersection between data and humanity, actuaries still carry a compass, not just numbers, judgment. To regulate is not to slow the future, it's to decide where it's going. This was shared with you by Melanie Marino from Argentina to the world.